I'm Anand Joseph, the co-founder of Immersion India. Immersion India is rapidly changing the experiential learning landscape in India. Thanks to your patronage and support, in just 3 years of our operations, we have been recognized as the forefront service providers for multidisciplinary India-specific learning programs and experiences of urban and rural India. We have had the wonderful opportunity to enable our guests to immerse into our culture and experience India in its true sense. The world as we know it today has taken a pause to rebuild and come out stronger. Though this has us disconnected physically, our learning continues. We are meant to be connected. Being connected together helps us to learn from each other. Immersion India's virtual learning experiences are meant to exactly do that. Keep us connected. Our all-new virtual learning programs are designed to introduce you to the many resources and learning opportunities that India has to offer. With our extensive regional and industry connect, we have gone all out to handpick your learning experiences delivered to right where you are. These experiences help you to connect, learn, and interact with businesses and people in real time. We are confident these experiences will continue to inspire you and enhance your learning. You can use our curated virtual experiences to maximize your learning outcomes that can have a positive impact on your career and the global learning opportunity. And when the time is right for you to step out, we would be the first ones to welcome you into this incredible country and say, let India happen to you.